Today we have a 1995 Nissan Patrol. We start with the hood up so we can start it. You can hear it run. We've daily drove it a little bit. Great car, rides good. This is the first Patrol we brought over. Did a little bit of maintenance to it. We did filters, fluids. Had some previous work done. It's posted on the website, I believe. The timing, a couple other things. You have glow plugs. She fires right up. I really like driving this thing. It has a good feel. People won't want to hear it, but comfort-wise, it's better than the Land Cruisers. I think there was a guy that does car reviews that went on about how Nissan Patrol is more comfortable. Good. We don't have excessive smoke. We're in an enclosed building. Climate controlled. Down there. Engine base clean. Looks like somebody had done brake pipes on it. The coolant hoses was the other thing that they did. Coolant flush on it. And then we're rebuilding this week the front axle. We want to do the swivels, wheel bearings, wheel seals, and then the wipe seals and a steering stabilizer. The key will, just one thing, without pushing the lock button down here, you can remove the key when you rotate it back. So you rotate it back, you can pull out, not be all the way back and lock, but it still doesn't keep anything active. You have power windows. It has a rear electronic locker. It's about 128,000 miles. So your locker switch here. You have a digital clock. Let's see, it does have third row. You have 2-speed high-low transfer case. I didn't test the front windshield wiper, the actual wipers themselves. And I can't think, the windshield wipers for headlights. Headlight wipers, I guess is what we call it. It has a rear wiper, rear heat, some Patrol rubber floor mats, and the third row seat. I've been a little harsh. So it was built factory, that way you can see the seatbelt connections. We'll get the hood shut here, do a little bit more of a walk around. We did put new wheels and tires on it. Had some old white wagon wheels on it. We did some 31-1050 Yokohama Geolander ATXs. And then we'll do a walk around so you can see the paint here. It's in good condition. It's pretty straight. In the pictures, there's a couple dents on this door that we did have PDR'd out. You can see it's a lot smoother, but there are still a few that exist that we couldn't get to. But given it is a 28-year-old automobile, we ordered a mud flap because the passenger side one we noticed was missing. It's something we missed before. And we PDR'd out a few dents that were on the hood. So after I saw the pictures, I noticed them on there, and then we called our PDR guy. So kind of reverse order how we should have done it, but as you can see, we have a white floor. You don't see anything pooling under it. It's all around, like I said, it's enjoyable to drive. Has adequate power, it's comfortable, has third row, so if you have a bunch of kiddos, has a front straight axle. There's a bunch of aftermarket part support. You have dome lights. Everyone gets excited about dome lights, right? It is a 5-speed. Headliner's in good condition. The seats are in good shape. There's no excessive stains on the carpets anywhere. You have good cargo space back here. Yeah, that's more than a lot of the Yukons and Tahoes with third row. I've had one, and you have minimal cargo space. You have your jack over here. Oh, the original French tag. So you can remove the rear seat if you want to. You have sliding windows on the side back here. Yeah, great car. I really like driving it. I bought it because I have 5 kids, so I figured I'd get some use out of it while it was in our possession. I think that's a charcoal graphite pearl. The color is listed on our website.